Hey my spooky ghouls, my name is Sabrina and welcome back to my coven. So today's video is going to be a DIY as well as with the haul video. I picked up some spooky earrings and I thought I'd go ahead and show you guys the earrings that I picked up because they're so cute and they're from Shein and they're very inexpensive. But since I bought all these spooky little earrings, I decided I need somewhere to put them. So I was Halloween hunting at Joann's last week and I came across this little wood coffin and I was like, you know what, I can do something with that. I want to buy it but I don't know what to do with it. And then when I got all my earrings in the mail, I'm like, you know what, I'm going to turn it into a earring holder. So this is going to be the second part of the DIY, but I'm going to go ahead and show you all these beautiful earrings that I picked up recently from Shein and Temu. And yeah, if you guys are interested in to do this DIY, then just keep on watching and then let's get into the earring haul. And I'm going to say cute and love, but they're just adorable. So bear with me with how many cutes and love that I'm going to say that I love them. Okay, so these are from Shein, and the first pair of earrings I have are these cute little Billy ones from Hocus Pocus. They were really inexpensive. I think they were like less than $2, but they're so cute. Like, look how cute they're gonna look with any outfit. But they are well made. They're double-sided, so you get the design on both sides of the earring, so it doesn't look really weird. But they're made out of like acrylic. They're so well made and cute for the price. These are the first pair of earrings. Alright, so the next pair of earrings that I have are these really cute Frankenstein acrylic ones as well. These are like inspired by the vintage mask from Spirit Halloween, and they just look so good. Again, they're double-sided. I love the way the Frankenstein looks. They're going to be just a cute little staple to spice up any outfit. I believe they were under $2 as well. And then they had the other set of the Dracula ones, the vampire Dracula ones, in the little vintage face masks from Spirit Halloween inspired. They are so well made. I love them. I think they have like the mummy and stuff, so I'm gonna pick those up just so I have like the whole set of the spooky little monsters. But these are so cute and so well made, and they're really lightweight, so they're not gonna like weigh down your ears. But yeah, I just thought they were super cute because you get the little set of the Universal monster ones, and they're just so cute. Okay, so moving on to the next pair of earrings. They're these cute little lime ghost earrings. They're so cute, but look at how cute these are gonna look. Like, I could even wear them with this outfit because they match my earrings, and they're just like a pop of color, and they're so cute. These, I don't remember the price, but again, everything will be linked down below. They're really inexpensive. And yeah, I was never into dangle earrings, but like my grandmas used to love wearing dangle earrings for like the holidays, like Christmas and Halloween and Valentine's Day. And since both my grandmas had passed on, these earrings just remind me of them. So I started getting into dangle earrings. It just makes me remember them. So I picked these up. These are so cute. The next pair of dangle earrings are these cute little ghosts. These more remind me of like Hauloween. So they're just like these little white ghosts, and then they have this like really pretty tealish green color with black, and they're adorable. Again, this is gonna spruce up any outfit for spring or for the Halloween season. If you don't want to get too like, you know, Halloweeny, these are like the perfect mix for spring. They're adorable, and I think these are like $1 or something. So these are so cute, lightweight. They don't have the design on the back, it's just plain white little ghosts, but these are so cute. So moving on to my next pair of dangle earrings, I got these cute little witch hats. They're just so cute. My name is Sabrina, if you guys don't know, and you know, teenage witch. So I am a witch. So I went ahead and I picked up these cute little witch earrings as well. They are adorable. These are cute. They have a little pumpkin on them. So cute. Okay, moving on to my stud earrings. I recently picked these up, and these are so cute. So they're just like some little sugar skulls, and they're purple, black, and green, my favorite colors. They're just like a big staple. I wore them, and they're a little heavy, so be careful. Make sure you get like the back post that has like that circle to like have to stop her, because any other back post is not gonna work on these earrings. These were really inexpensive. They were like 80 cents or something. They're cute, and they came in a pink design as well, but I went for the purple. These are adorable. Such a statement piece. Okay, so my next ones, they're pretty tiny. They're just these cute little jack-o'-lanterns. Like, how adorable are these little jack-o'-lanterns? They are so cute. These were really inexpensive. And they're just like the perfect little everyday earrings to wear for fall or just every day, because you know over here we celebrate Halloween 365 days. Yeah. These are cute. If you guys want to see anything that I do or what I find or post or what I'm up to, go ahead and follow my Instagram down below and get sneak peeks of what videos I'm going to film, input, or what videos I should upload, or all that kind of stuff. So found these at Urban Outfitters online and they were on sale for $10. They just give off like this spooky Tim Burton vibe. They look like this. They're these spooky little earrings and I've worn them quite a bit. They are a little bit heavy, but they don't weigh down your earrings. They're a little bit lighter on ears than you would think, but they're just so like, look at how spooky and cute that makes your outfit. That is just so adorable. And again, $10. I don't know if they're available, but if they are, I'll go ahead and link them down below. But this was just like my best find that I found so far, and they're just, look at them. How cute are these? Love them. Okay, so that is it for my little spooky earring haul that I've recently purchased so far. If you guys want to see how to make this earring holder, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Like always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hello, welcome. My name is Sabrina. Go ahead and subscribe so you can join our coven. And yeah, we will see you guys next time for another video. And remember, a witch is nothing without her coven. Bye!